Okay, this is a quick video screencast about how to get Ubuntu for your computer. Ubuntu, first of all, it's an operating system. It's very much like operating systems you've used in the past, namely Windows or Macintosh. And at the top left-hand side of the screen, you see I've got a menu, three names here. Applications. We'll go down to Internet. I open up Firefox, and basically I just navigated to this page. I went to Ubuntu.com, to their main web page, and I'll make this full size by middle clicking on the top button up here. That I've got a little effect that does that, and you can just click download Ubuntu, and then usually it's best to stick with what they recommend here in the beginning, especially if you're not really understanding the difference between 32 and 64 bits and the difference the way the programs run. I'd stick with 32-bit. Then it shows you how to burn your CD. You click the little show me how, you tell it which operating system you have, and it shows you how to do that, whether Windows 7 or whatnot. And then you can try it without even installing it on your computer by simply just putting the CD into your computer and letting it run, and then actually you're allowed to try this operating system without even having to have the damn thing loaded on your computer. So once again, you can download this operating system, put the sumbitch on a CD, and don't even have to install it on your computer, and you can try this out. While you're trying it out, you can then go to things. You'll have exactly the same looking screen that I do here. It'll be the default screen rather than my theme here, but you can go to this Ubuntu Software Center. Now the Ubuntu Software Center is where you're going to get all your different programs that you need, whether you want internet programs, sound and video, or you want different graphics programs, games, developers tools. Here's some of the featured programs that they recommend. For instance, let's say I wanted to use a webcam with my computer. All I have to do is click this install button and put in my password for my computer. And some gun goes up and installs now. It'll install it, put it in the right place for you, and it'll automatically be assigned an icon and put in its proper spot, whether it be accessories, games, graphics, internet, whatnot. This particular thing being video and so forth, I expect it to be under there. Yeah, here it is, Cheese Webcam Booth. Now that program that we just put on says, hey, I don't even have a webcam here installed. I don't have a webcam on my desktop here, so it doesn't have that device found, so that's why it doesn't find it. But that's how quick it is to get software for the computer, put it on the damn thing, and that's how easy. I mean, this stuff's made for grandmothers and grandpas who really just, here's what I want to get, the software, stellariums, I want to learn about planets, and you can click the more information and it'll tell you a little bit about what this program is. This, for instance, this program's renders 3D photorealistic skies in real time, and you can see what it does here. You can usually click a little screenshot that'll give you an idea of a little more about it. And if you want to, you can install the program. And uninstalling a program is just as easy as going to your currently installed programs, go into something that you don't particularly want, and just clicking remove. I don't use any type of Bluetooth devices on my desktop, so I don't need it. Took it off. It was that simple, and now it's gone. And that's how simple it is to get your software. In fact, Macintosh is, where they got the idea for the iStore is from Linux, from repositories, central locations like the Ubuntu Software Center. And that is how you would get Ubuntu, and that's how you would get your software once you have Ubuntu. And I'll conclude this recording.